Hello guys, today we've got an water damaged Doogee that doesn't turn on. Let's check it and see what's wrong and how we can solve any issue we might have with water damages devices. The Doogee has an IP68 certified waterproof and dustproof rating, which means it provides the highest level of dust protection. Not only can it be immersed in water for a short time, but it's supposed that can also be fully immersed in 1.5 meters of water for up to 2 hours. To disassemble this water damaged device, we use a screwdriver Torx T5. We are not going to take long time with the disassembly process, we try to do it fast. For many of you, it's a quite rare device, but worldwide, Doogee has sold a lot. It's a frequent device found in the pockets of those who work in construction or factories. This particular model can cost around 250 euros, and the truth is that it withstands shocks very well. We found a Vision infrared night Sony camera, and we must not forget the 6350 mAh battery. This sticker indicates us that until now the device has not been opened. Now we are going to retire the back cover. After this first visual inspection, we can observe a lot of corrosion on the motherboard. We are going to remove the 4 screws that holds the motherboard. After that, we continue with the other smaller screws. Just below, we'll find some flex. We must work carefully not to break it. This is the upper part that holds the cameras, where we'll find the flash, a noise microphone and some antennas. Now we can remove the battery connector. We are going to take off this upper part from chassis. You have to be careful because it's very glued. Here we have the double-side tape. In this step, we remove the SIM tray. Don't forget these 3 motherboard screws. Now we'll remove all the flex from the motherboard. Let's inspect it well and search for humidity signs. Here we have the humidity sticker that has changed color. Normally it has to be white, but because of the humidity, changed to red. With the help of the microscope, we'll check the damage done. These flex join the main board with the secondary one. Let's try to clean some connectors to see if we can find the solution for this device. The truth is that seems quite complicated. The product that we have used for cleaning process is the one from the screen. With the help of the piece of cloth and a metal brush, we clean the area. Because of the short circuit, the FPC connector has been mixed with the main connector. So, with the help of an anti-static tweezer and a scalpel, we try to remove it. To remove the remaining oxide, we can use any contact cleaner. Let's clean up the motherboard connector. We use a scalpel to scrape the pad. In this way, the solder lid will grab better. We clean up a little bit and then we apply flux. To rebuild these pads, I prefer to use solder paste. You will see that it will cost me a lot to solder these pads. Due to the corrosion process, the pads have lost properties. We just have to insist again and again until the solder paste grabs on the pins. Doesn't matter if we join two pads with solder paste because with the help of the desoldering wick we can remove the excess. During this step it is important to solder all the pads and change the alloy. For the sides we can use a thicker tip. For any tool or products you might need for your workshop, you can check our website MovilOne.eu, and if you don't find what you are looking for, please just ask me in the comments section. Thank you. If you think that any pads resist, then you can use solder wire. If you enjoy this type of content, please give me a strong like and I will take care to record more repairs like this in our workshop. For you it's just a second, but for us it balances all the work that are behind each tutorial. Thank you. We go to the other side to solder the remaining pads. We can observe that the corrosion has done a lot of damages. This connector is just impossible to regain. I have tried, but it was not possible. Practically, the plastic part is burned. We have to purchase this part and this flex with one of our suppliers and replace them because cannot be repaired. The connectors that have lost a lot of pads, and a part of this, the integrated circuit that is next to the connector, is burned, and I don't have the spare part. Let's assemble the device and check it. Now we connect the charger to check the consumption. We just have 1% battery, so let's check if we've got image on the screen. The device lights up perfectly. So guys, to fix this Doogee device 100%, we have to buy the upper part and the union flex. Thanks for watching. He is Leonardo. This was today's video and hope to see you in the next one. All the best.